Hello, children. I am number 8. I come after 7 and before 9.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 8. This is number 8. Its spelling is E-I-G-H-T, 8. It comes after 7 and before 9. We use 8 when there are 8 things, like 8 legs of a spider, 8 flowers, 8 pens. Let's all say together number 8.
Hello, friends. What do I see? I see some new words. Look, 1, 2. Wow, all are 3-letter words.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn 3-letter words. Look at the page. 1, 2, 6, the, was, 10, sad. These words are small, but we use them every day while speaking, reading, and writing. Let's read together. 1, 2, 6, the, was, 10, sad. Very good, children. See you in next session. Bye-bye.
Hello, children. I am number 9. I come after 8 and before 10.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 9. This is number 9. Its spelling is N-I-N-E, 9. It comes after 8 and before 10. We use 9 when there are 9 things like 9 balloons, 9 flowers, 9 pens. Let's all say together number 9.
Hello, children. What do I see here? A beautiful color palette. These are secondary colors. They are made by mixing 2 primary colors together.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about secondary colors. Secondary colors are made by mixing 2 primary colors together. When we mix red and blue, we get purple. When we mix yellow and blue, we get green. When we mix red and yellow, we get orange. So children, always remember, 2 primary colors mix to form a secondary color. Very good, children. See you in next.
Hello.
Money, money, yes, mommy. Eating mangoes, yes, mommy. For Granny tells me it's so nice and good for lovely, healthy eyes.
Hello, friends. I am Ria. Today I want to tell you about festivals I celebrate. On Gurpurab, I visit the Gurudwara with my family and enjoy tasty langar. On Eid, I wear new clothes and eat sweet sevayan with my friends. During Holi, I play with colors and laugh a lot. On Raksha Bandhan, I tie Rakhi to my brother and we share sweets. On Diwali, I decorate my home with diyas and lights. And on Christmas, I decorate the tree and enjoy gifts and cake. Festivals make me happy.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about some important festivals. Look at this page carefully. We can see many different festivals here. People celebrate festivals to feel happy, pray, and spend time with family and friends. Here we have Gurpurab. It is a Sikh festival. We celebrate the birthday of Guru Nanak Ji. People go to the Gurudwara, pray, and share food together. Then Eid, celebrated by Muslim people. People offer prayers, wear new clothes, and enjoy sweets with family and friends. This is Holi, the colorful festival. People play with colors, dance, and enjoy tasty treats. Next is Raksha Bandhan, a festival of love between brother and sister. Sisters tie Rakhi on their brothers' wrists and pray for their happiness. This is Diwali, the festival of lights. People light diyas, decorate homes, and celebrate with joy. And here is Christmas, celebrating the birthday of Jesus Christ. People decorate Christmas trees, sing carols, and exchange gifts. All festivals teach us love, sharing, and joy. So children, always celebrate festivals happily. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am number 10. I come after 9 and before 11.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 10. This is number 10. Its spelling is T-E-N, 10. It comes after 9 and before 11. We use 10 when there are 10 things, like 10 fingers, 10 pens, 10 balloons. Let's all say together number 10. Yes, very good.
Hello.
Hey, look! 2 letters are standing together. Wow, they are making just one sound. That's called a digraph.
Sh like in ship and shop. Ch like in chair and cheese. Thi like in thumb and think. Which like in what and when.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn something very special. Look at these letters carefully. Sometimes two letters come together and make only one sound. See these letters? CH, SH, WH, TH. When they join, they make only one special sound. For example, SH like in ship and shop, CH like in chair and cheese, TH like in thumb and think, WH like in what and when. So remember, children, when two letters come together and make one sound, it is called a digraph. Very good, children. See you in next